loving the newness.
Hi guys. Your mum and dad?
When we were getting there,
I had a little nap in the car and she hit
they
the
were
brakes.
all asleep. I was like, it's bank holiday weekend and we're gonna get the playroom sorted, so. Name. Hey, Nanny.
So get me a couple of hours time.
Yeah.
Huh?
Why is that,
Because
babe?
I'm so tired, aren't I?
Yeah. Fantastic, guys. Welcome to the vlog. We are in Ikea and we're getting some stuff from the playroom. So we know we want some storage. I think the same storage that everyone gets when just the house gets run with stuff. But we're open to getting some other bits. So yeah, come along with us and see what the boys want to find as well. For the storage, like some bits for the fridge. Need. You cannot come to Ikea without picking up some dimes. Cheeky. Oh cool! It's this little pop-up tent. The boys can kind of play hide and seek even in their room or in their playroom. So cool. I think I'm gonna have to go dark for the boys, just for practical reasons. But yeah, structure simple, soft fabric. Even though we just came for playroom storage, I am in the market for another sofa, even though I'm just selling one. I think, yeah, my eyes might be turned. Cute little vibe in here. So when the boys get older, I'm sure they'll be like more funky and stuff, but super cool, just simple plates. You can use them for a quick lunch or outside, but it's always good to have extra. And these cute little snack bowls, they're kind of neutral and pastel colours, which I love. Favorite thing about Ikea.
The kitchens are lovely. Kitchens are.
Yeah. They do like set it up small spaces, like a lot of detail in terms of what you can do with them. Love this. Look at the tones. All the neutrals, linen, just super chill. So we found the day bed area. Where are the sofas that turn into beds? We are actually looking for a new corner group for the playroom that could turn into like maybe a stay over bed kind of thing. So if we see one, we may try it today. How cool are these? I'm gonna get something like this, but look, you can have the decorated storage units, which I think are nice. We are found it, so you've got the tall shelf units and then you've got the smaller ones. So I can see the white, but I think we want the natural ones. I think everyone's got these, but they're just so practical. Grabbing lunch, Navy's just having some little pommes. You're happy you're out, aren't you? Yes, you can see what's going on. And Knight's just having his little wafer. We managed to squeeze in. And then yeah, we'll probably get our lunch separate, just because it's easier waiting with the kids. So just a little update on the boys, guys. Navy is now 21 months. He's doing really well. He's feeding himself pretty much now with utensils. He just got up this morning and fed himself a yogurt, which is really good because he was quite resistant to doing that. And he sleeps all the way through. So unless he's had a rough night, if he's unwell, he's really good with that. And Knight is now 7 months old, so he's just scoffing his wafer. Nom 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 nom. They're really, really soft and breakable for him. And he is getting another tooth at the back, so we had a bit of a rough night last night. He was a little bit sicky, so we had a bit of a spag bowl disaster after his bath. But he had a bit of toothache, so I think he's got a little one. He's got these two bottom ones and a little one coming through at the back. Yeah. Josh has gone for the meatballs. Look, yummy, and the desserts here are so good. But I ate like most of Josh's M&Ms last night. Navy's on the garlic bread. Knight's finished his wafer. I'm going to do him some milk. And then I'm probably going to grab some lunch after that because it is a tag team effort. That's live for 2 under 2. Guys, just like that. Josh has just been laughing like he just goes to get his own lunch. He does offer to get me a plate, but I was like, no, I always want to see the menu and see what's on before I choose. So my bad, because I was going to go and get a plate and now I need to feed. But we managed to get out and get them both napped, which is obviously more important. Like, Navy had his lunch, they can both get their lunchtime nap, then they're both in better spirits really. So it's just, now it's time for night's feed. So I'll probably go and grab something quick in a minute. But yeah, he did just get his own. That was a little someone spotted the dime bar cake and now doesn't want his milk. It's all about the food, this one.
Okay.
No. Your baba's here, yeah. Went for fish and chips. I had to get a cheesecake. This is what nappy pit stops look like. First time on an escalator. Not bad. Just checking out the balloons with my main man. So much stuff. Loads of faux eucalyptus. We're getting rid of all this stuff, but even if you're in the market for a mobile, that's obviously more boyish, but that's really cute. And then obviously they've got those cute wooden toys.
Go, go, go. What's that?
You need an oven dish. Can we go back, please?
Andy's off.
These are so good for snacks for the kids. So I'm going to get a couple of these just so we can see what we've got for them instead of him just getting the top thing in the like storage box that we've currently got. So yeah, like that. So we have a coffee machine, but I'm just debating whether to get a percolator. We smashed our last one, but we don't get the coffee machine out now because we've got that many sterilising guts and stuff. Do we just get one? Decisions. And some of these biscuits. Yum. Chase Daddy! Go, go, go! Come on, let's chase Daddy! For anyone else who's going through toddler toothbrushing, ideal steps here. We definitely need these so he can get used to doing it himself at the sink. Okay, now time to find the goods. Where is the storage at? I don't think we've got the aisle, which is typical. Can you find it, Nave? Let's go and find your playroom stuff. And we are sorted, so he's got his loot. Finally found everything. We got the white ones that are out of stock, so we got the natural wood.
Got some glasses.
Yeah, an oven dish, some bowls, some bits and pieces. Yeah, and the boys are back into the queue. It'll be easy just to run through. We're nearly home, and we're just talking about the fact that I drove here, and Josh always drives. And does anyone else? Comment below if anyone else's partner does that, gets in the car, and then today he asked me to drive, and I was like, yeah, I'll drive. I was just going to do a food shop online when we were getting there.
I had a little nap in the car and she hit the brakes.
They were all asleep. I was like, it's fine, I'm a good driver.
She hit the brakes.
Got there without sat nav.
She woke me up. She wasn't happy.
I was fine, you weren't happy, you mean. Yeah, but does anyone else do that? Like, he never drives this car, so I always think, oh, he just jumps in, and then he's like, I always drive everywhere. I'm thinking,
I do always drive everywhere.
I just get in the passenger because that's the one that's free. So comment below if you do the same.
Even if I'm out, the last one out the house, you still in the passenger seat. Silly.
Yeah, Yeah.
Silly belly.
I'm a happy driver, guys, but I just think I'm always banging on about sexism like this way, but yeah, I'm happy for it to roll like that. Yeah, so we are jam-packed in the back. We've got our storage units for the playroom, we've got his little step for the bathroom, and then the car is full with the double buggy. So we are just on our way home now. So that was like, obviously because he's never been anywhere as big as that really in terms of shopping, one big shopping area, but we made it.
He did well, Davey did. He had a little walk around, he was listening to us most of the time.
Yeah. To be fair, he was just excited.
Excited.
He was so excited by trolleys, which you wouldn't think he's been in them, but
He was grabbing other people's trolleys as well, wasn't he?
we have a little hungry boy, I think. So we are gonna be, well, we're heading home now. We're about, what, 40 minutes away-ish?
Yeah, about half an hour.
Yeah, half an hour. So we're gonna head home, feed the babies, and then see what we're gonna do for food. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little shopping vlog, getting us around Ikea with the babies and a bit of lunch. And yeah, we will be coming back with another video next week. So subscribe and comment below, and please like the video because it really supports our channel. And yeah, see you next week. Fit snacks perfectly for the kids, and some push dish, some little juice / wine glasses, and the bowls. Finished result. So we've got little cute plain items out, jigsaws, drums, some sensory bits, and then all this is packed away. So we've got books, balls, soft cuddly toys, art sets, musical toys, more balls, cars. Yeah, so really impressed.
Unlockable, yeah.